Well, another day of nice weather here with temperatures that are probably going to grace the 50-degree mark today. But tomorrow's going to be such a different story. So I want to talk about tomorrow a lot first. We got a high wind warning out kind of along and west of the Missouri River, excluding extreme southeast Nebraska. They're under a wind advisory. And a lot of Iowa and extreme northwest Missouri is also under a wind advisory. So we're talking wind gusts that could get up 50, 55 miles per hour. So we're going to show you Storm Predictor tomorrow because there's also a chance of rain overnight tonight. But also we're going to pair the wind gust on top of this, kind of kill two birds with one stone, if you will. So the rest of the evening, you'll see increasing clouds, kind of a nice day, a little bit of a breeze, especially in comparison to yesterday. Now let's get into the overnight hours. You're going to kind of time the weather systems out through the next 36 hours based off two fronts. First front comes through overnight tonight, 1 a.m., so this is while you're sleeping. It'll bring a little bit of rain, but it's out by the morning drive. The second front will come through, say, around 9 a.m. That will bring the gustier winds. So look at that, wind gusts up near 51 miles per hour. It also brings colder air. So tomorrow, a deceiving day. You'll wake up with temperatures upper 30s. By the time you get into the afternoon, we're talking temperatures maybe in the 20s outside with a strong wind chill as well that could drop feel-like temperatures into the teens and even single digits. So impact weather through a lot of tomorrow for the wind. But again, I also want to point out the temperatures will fall through the day. So don't wake up and be like, oh, it's going to be okay. Temperatures in the 40s. It's going to be a winter chill through the afternoon. Live look outside, increasing clouds from the west. It's just high level clouds now, but they will thicken up later this evening. 47 degrees, only a south wind at 9 miles per hour. Look at those temperatures, though. I mean, it's still, zeroing in on winter here, and we're 47 in Omaha, 52 in Lincoln, 45 in Denison. And there's the south breeze only at 9 miles per hour, clocked in at 15 in Norfolk. So not strong wind yet. And again, clouds increasing from the west. So if you want to get out and enjoy some of the sunshine and relatively decent winds, it's not that breezy yet. I mean, you got the next few hours here before we cloud over and then into the evening. Temperatures staying actually fairly mild into the upper 40s. Again, for high temperatures, 54 degrees, really a nice day. It's just a bummer that we have the breeze today. Yesterday, very similar day, but we didn't have much of a breeze into the afternoon hours. So let's walk through Storm Predictor again, show you kind of the weather pattern here. We got the warmer south wind today, clouding over. Here's our first front that gives us the rain chance here late tonight. Stronger winds will pick up behind the second cold fronts that will come through early on Thursday morning. That one will bring not only the strong winds, but the colder air. Again, a deceiving day where you wake up with temperatures that are going to be right around the 40-degree mark. In the afternoon, you're talking about temperatures in the teens with wind chills maybe in the single digits. So Thursday, definite impact weather day for the high wind warning, but also the chill to the air that you're going to feel in the afternoon. It's going to be a bit of a shock to the system in comparison to the relatively nice weather we've had recently. But we do kind of moderate temperatures a little bit and stay above average for a lot of the 7-day forecast beyond Thursday. So Thursday is going to be one of those days you're going to want the winter jacket, although it might not seem like it in the morning.
It's like both a cold and warm holiday season because we've had some really cold days, but then we've got the unseasonable warmth like right now. So
yeah, we'll take the good weather while the travel is going to be on.
For sure.